This is wireless keyboard and mouse from Seenda Technology. Here's the logo right there on the side of the box. And let's have an open. On the back side here is where you'll need 2 AAA batteries. The mouse needs 1 AA battery. And here's the USB adapter. You'll need to plug this into your computer to make sure it works. All right, let's go hook this up to a computer and see how it works. Here I'll be connecting it to a MacBook Pro. Okay, so here is the laptop all set up. When you have the batteries in the keyboard and the mouse, just make sure that you have the on switch to the on position on both the mouse and the keyboard. It also is very important to put this USB adapter inside USB port. So with this, it allows both the mouse and the keyboard to communicate with your computer. So here I'm gonna start using the mouse and it's working. Notice how I'm moving the mouse and it's working just great. There are some settings here that you can do. I believe this changes the speed of the cursor, I'm not entirely sure. But if I click this, it seems to go a little bit faster. If I click it again, even faster. And I click it again, then it goes slow. And then the keyboard. The keys feel pretty nice. We got a whole set of function keys up here. We got a number keypad down here. Arrow keys, and I have this working with the MacBook. It looks like it will also work great with Windows. It's got little Windows keys here. And that is it.